Alright, so they're pretty cool. A little bit smaller than you would expect, but the details are pretty dope. Look. With this one, what sucks is these things easily come off. They came off within 5 seconds of my son using it. See? All you gotta do is just touch it, it falls right off. This is the worst part, because this he could choke on, this he could lose easily. This is really bad. This is why I'm going to return it. But in general, they're alright, but they don't feel like the rest of his toys, so he doesn't really play with them. He just leaves them aside.
It's a beautiful day to be with you. It's a beautiful day.